मीठी 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 बोलियां, मीठी 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 बोलियां, मीठी मीठी बोलियां, मीठी 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 बोलियां, मीठी 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 बोलियां, मीठी मीठी बोलियां। वणक्कम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, hello. My name is Deepta Vivekanand and I am a storyteller and an educator. मैं हूँ मद्रास की लेकिन मैं रहती हूँ चंडीगढ़ में and it's wonderful to be a part of मीठी बोलियां, which is the first online Indo-Pak storytelling festival. और आज मैं आपको कहानी जो सुनाने वाली हूँ वो मैंने बहुत साल पहले एक किताब में पढ़ी थी. It was a collection of folk tales put together by Roger Jenkins, who is a very senior and a respected storyteller from Singapore. And he has given me his kind permission to share this story with you. This story is believed to be an Appalachian tale from rural America, and it was originally told by Pleasant Despain. But this story has been told by storytellers all over the world, told and retold so many times that it is indeed a story of the world and for the world. और मैंने इस कहानी को अडेप्ट किया है टू मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर रेलेवेंट टू द सबकॉन्टिनेंट. और मैं इस कहानी को सुनाऊंगी आपको इंग्लिश में, थोड़ी सी हिंदी में और थोड़ी सी पंजाबी में. आई होप यू लाइक इट. तो चलिए सुनते हैं. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम दो दोस्त थे. देयर वर टू फ्रेंड्स और वो नेबर्स भी थे. बट I don't know if they were friends because they were neighbors or they were neighbors and then became friends. Khair. Anyway, it doesn't matter. They had been friends for a very, very long time and neighbors for a very long time too. And they were quite close. As close as Matar Paneer, or as close as Monday and Tuesday, or as close as Jay and Veeru. You get the drift. One of them was called Adil and the other was called Aman. Now, Adil's and Aman's fields were also right next to each other, with a little stream running through, जिसका पानी वो दोनों share करते थे. They went to their fields and returned home together every day, chatting and humming along the way. Their days were filled with banter and laughter, and their families too spent a lot of time together. One day, Aman's calf or katta strayed into Adil's land, and as Aman was leading it back to his, Adil stopped him and asked, "Arey Aman, ye to mera hai. What are you doing with my calf?" No, Adil, ये मेरा है. It's mine. He strayed into your field. मैं बस इसको वापस ले आ रहा हूँ. No, you're mistaken. This is mine. देखो, I can recognize the markings. It's mine, भाई, said Adil. अरे नहीं पाजी, of course not. ये तो मेरा है. दे दो मुझे. Let me take it back. ओहो, नहीं, तुम समझते क्यों नहीं यार? Why don't you understand? This is mine. And so, for the first time, they ended up having an argument. And the argument went on and on and on. Neither one wanted to let go of their conviction that the calf was his. दोनों गुस्से हुए, एक दूसरे के ऊपर चिल्लाए. Fingers were shaken at each other. Until the poor calf let out a loud. In the end, Adil let Aman have the calf. But their friendship began to sour from that day on. उस दिन के बाद they found excuses to avoid each other. They didn't make eye contact when they happened to cross each other. ऐसे मुंह करके चले जाते थे. They started taking different routes to reach their fields. The families too stopped talking. और ये ऐसे ही चलता रहा for a few months, and the ice had begun to form. Until एक दिन एक तरखान और a carpenter came to the town. वो काम ढूंढता ढूंढता आ रहा था, and he went from one house to another, hoping someone might have something that needed fixing, or perhaps even want something new to be made. And tired from all the walking, he reached Adil's house. The carpenter knocked on the door, and the door opened. Now this was a pleasant sound to the ears of a carpenter, for he knew this house definitely needed some fixing. Hanji, Ustad, I'm a carpenter. I'm looking for some work. Maybe you have something at home that might need some fixing, like this door that needs to be oiled. I can build something new as well. Adil was about to send the carpenter away, but when he heard the words something new built, he had an idea. He called the carpenter inside. वो carpenter को अंदर बुलाया, gave him something to eat and drink, and as the carpenter was eating, Adil began talking to him. He felt that the carpenter was a nice sort and that he could be trusted to do a very important job. अच्छा, सुनो, I think I have just the job for you. You see that stream there? It divides my neighbor's land and my land. We used to stand across the stream, we used to chat, and we used to share the water. But not anymore. हमने बात करना ही छोड़ दिया. And that neighbor of mine, that badmash, he has dug a canal to divert some of the water into his field, and I don't want to see his face ever again. So, मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम एक बाड़ बनाओ. I want a fence built from that tree over there to the shed there, and I want it as high as possible. क्या तुम कर सकते हो? Can you do it? जी सर जी, हो जाएगा. Not a problem, said the carpenter without much thought. चलो, बढ़िया, very good. घर के पीछे at the back of the house लकड़ी पड़ी है. There's a lot of timber. कील वील भी पड़ी है. There are nails too. Take whatever you want and get to work. And listen, I have to be out of town for a few days. और जब तक मैं वापस आऊंगा, by the time I'm back, I want you to have done the job. ठीक है? जी सर जी, हो जाएगा. तुसी फिक्र ना करो. Don't worry. And so the carpenter set to work. He arranged the planks of wood neatly in a line. He nailed them and glued them together. He truly was a skilled craftsman, for he had made exactly what Adil needed. And when the carpenter was adding the finishing touches to his work, scraping, sanding, polishing, Adil arrived, and he was horrified by what he saw. Stop it! ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम? What do you think you're doing? He shouted at the carpenter. And right at the same time, from the other end of the newly built bridge, Aman, the neighbor, came running towards Adil, arms open wide. And as he approached Adil, Aman said, Adil, I'm so sorry for whatever happened. तुम्हारा बहुत बड़ा दिल है यार. You have such a large heart. Only you would have thought about building a bridge. I'm so sorry about the calf. I do think it was yours after all. This was not what Adil expected. He was speechless for a few moments, and quickly regaining composure and changing course, he said, अरे नहीं अमन, वो कट्टा तुम्हारा ही था. That calf was yours. I shouldn't have spoken the way I did, and I shouldn't have said all those horrible things. गलती मेरी है. I'm sorry. अरे उसको छोड़ो. Yours or mine, क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? What's important is we are talking again, said Adil. And so saying, both friends hugged each other in the middle of the newly built bridge. They both thanked the carpenter and asked him to stay for a few more days as their guest. But the carpenter just said, "I have many more bridges to build, Sarji. I have to be on my way." आदिल को बाड़ चाहिए था. He wanted a fence. But the carpenter knew that उसको एक पुल की ज़रूरत है. That he needed a bridge. And so, it's time to ask ourselves, what do we need? Yes, that's you and me. Do we need fences or bridges?